The Indian Air Force has said that the helicopters of the Chinese Army came close to Indian border in the eastern Ladakh region last week, but there was no violation of airspace on either side. The Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force were not scrambled in response to the Chinese helicopters, and were actually airborne on routine flying. As per existing agreements between India and China, operation of fighter jets and armed helicopters is restricted to a distance of 10 kilometers from the line of actual control. According to latest media reports, the $1.86 billion Indian procurement of NASAMS-II from the United States will now be put on the back burner, as the Prime Minister's office has clearly ordered the armed forces to cut import of foreign defense equipments and prefer procurement of local Indian substitutes like the next-generation Akash air defense systems. Reports also indicate that the DRDO will also be cleared to develop an indigenous NASAMS-II platform, consisting of ground-launched Astra systems for protection against small aerial platforms. The Defense Ministry is now looking to give a chance to the naval variant of the Advanced Light Helicopter of Hindustan Aeronautics to enter the 21,000 crore rupees 111 Naval Utility Helicopter competition, and important decisions regarding the next step of technical evaluation will be taken shortly. The ministry is also assessing the impact on technology transfer and cost viability, if a lesser number of helicopters were to be ordered from the private sector in partnership with a foreign partner. The supply of spare parts for aircraft maintenance has been adversely affected, which are manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HAL has started production of indigenous spares on priority basis, and has also supplied some urgently required spares to the Indian Air Force. Most of the original equipment manufacturers have postponed supplies due to the lockdown and pending payments from customers. China has awarded its researchers who were involved in the development of the 12,000 km range JL-3 submarine-launched ballistic system. The Type 94 submarines, which currently carries 16 JL-2, can also be equipped with the new JL-3. The next generation Type 96 strategic nuclear submarine is still in the research and development stage, and it is believed it will be able to carry 24 JL-3 systems.